Good morning, students. I welcome you all for our geography lecture. Lesson number 2, the sun, the moon and the earth. Part 1. The moon's motion. Like the earth, the moon also has axial and orbital motions. The moon, while rotating around itself, revolves around the earth and the earth revolves around the sun. As a result, though the moon does not revolve around the sun independently, indirectly it makes revolutions around the sun. The time it takes to make one revolution around the earth and one rotation around itself is the same. That is why we constantly see one and the same side of the moon. Refer page number 3. Try this. The moon's orbit of the revolution is also elliptical as that of the earth. Hence, the distance of the moon from the earth is not the same everywhere along its orbit while revolving. When it is closest to the earth, it is said to be in perigee, and when it is at the farthest, the position is called apogee. See figure 2.1 of textbook as well as the figure attached here. Waxing and waning moon phases. You have studied the phases of the moon. You know how it waxes from the new moon day to the full moon day and how it wanes from the full moon to the new moon day. See figure 2.2, which shows the different phases of the moon. It shows the relative position of the moon on both the quarters, the full moon and the new moon days, with respect to the earth and the sun. Angles made by the earth, moon, sun. We see the phases of the moon in the sky from the earth. They are the illuminated portions of the moon. They become visible due to the sunlight reflected from the moon. While revolving around the earth, the moon is on the opposite side of the sun on a full moon day, whereas on a new moon day it is positioned between the sun and the earth. On the first and the third quarter days, the moon, the earth and the sun make an angle of 90 degrees. At these positions, we see half the portion of illuminated moon. Hence, in the sky it appears semicircular in shape. Eclipses. The orbital part of the earth and that of the moon are not in the same plane. The moon's revolutionary orbit makes an angle of about 5 degrees with that of the earth. As a result, the moon intersects the plane of the earth's orbit twice during one revolution. On each moon day, the lines joining the earth and the sun and the moon make an angle of 0 degree, whereas on each full moon day, this angle is of 180 degree. Even so, the sun, the earth and the moon may not be in straight line in the same plane on every new moon or full moon day. Hence, eclipses do not occur on each new moon or full moon day. Refer figure number 2.4. However, sometimes on a new moon day or a full moon day, the three fall in one line and are in the same plane. Eclipses occur on such occasions. Eclipses may be solar or lunar. Thank you.